Are you launching your freelance career on Upwork with zero experience? Stick around because today I am revealing how to write a cover letter that gets you noticed, even as a complete beginner. Hi, I'm Colette, a freelance coach who turned newbies into top earners with over $1 million in freelance revenue. We are diving into the art of crafting the perfect Upwork cover letter step by step. First, let's tackle the big no-nos. From the shotgun approach to apply for every job to one-size-fits-all cover letter. These common blunders cost you gigs. I will show you how to avoid and why. Mistake number 1, not every job should get your bid. Focus on those that truly fit your skills and schedule. Mistake number 2, customize each cover letter. Stand out by showing you've tailored your proposal specifically for the job. Mistake number 3, know your clients. Check their detailed time zone and payment history to align your proposal. Mistake number 4, use the feedback section to learn more about your potential clients' behavior and preferences. Mistake number 5, match your skills to the job. Ensure you are truly a good fit before you apply. With over 1,000 projects under my belt, I've crafted tens of thousands of proposals throughout my freelance career. But don't mistake quantity for expertise. Every proposal is a unique narrative, a distinct chapter in your freelance journey. Here's my cornerstone advice. Never use a copy-paste approach. Crafting a cover letter should never be a 1-minute task. Treat it as a marathon. It is, not a sprint. Your proposal isn't just paperwork. It's your pitch, the first look a client gets in your proposal world. It's essential to make each one as personalized and impactful as possible. Don't repeat my biggest mistake of using pre-made templates for common project types. Instead, invest in time to write a genuine, tailored proposal for each job. Start by addressing the client directly, using their name if available. A little research goes a long way. Look up the client or their company to better understand their needs and show that you are fully engaged. Be precise in how you plan to tackle the project requirements. Often clients include a secret keyword in the description to ensure an applicant have thoroughly read the details. Including this keyword shows you're attentive and serious about the job. Lastly, before you quote your price, ask the potential client for their budget. Let the client know that you're excited to work with them and will do your best to accommodate them. Remember, every proposal you send out reflects your dedication and professionalism. Strive to improve your proposal writing skills continuously. Each one should be a small masterpiece, uniquely yours, providing why you're the best fit for the job. Before you go, make sure you tap into my free Upwork proposal guidance to master your cover letter game. Hit that like button if you found these tips helpful. Subscribe for more insights and drop your questions or successes in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And remember, every proposal is a stepping stone to your freelancing success on Upwork. See you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into maximizing your freelance potential. Until next time, be freelantastic.